Anybody have room for another eclair?
Not unless I unbutton my pants.
Mine are already unbuttoned.
I took mine off when she brought the marshmallow yams.
Okay, then. What do you say we all go into the living room and sing some Christmas carols?
You mean stand up?
I don't think I can.
I'm not wearing pants.
Come on, you guys. What's Christmas without caroling?
Hanukkah?
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride
In a one-horse open sleigh. Hey.
Sandy, something wrong?
Who moved the reindeer?
I don't know that one, but I'll wing it. Who moved the reindeer, the Savior snow? He's coming to check on the reindeer.
No. These reindeer.
What about them?
Donner and Blitzen are out of order. Somebody's been playing with them.
So?
So I want to know who it was.
Jake?
I didn't do it.
Charlie?
Oh, all right. I may have used one of them as a swizzle stick.
Well, no harm done. But if you must play with them, please remember, it's Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen.
Okay.
Donner, Blitzen, Donner, Blitzen, Donner, Blitzen.
Got it.
Sing it!
Donner Blitzen.
Okay, then. The little drummer boy. Rum, rum, rum.
They told me, ba-da-ba-bum-bum. A newborn king to see, ba-rum-ba-bum-bum. Our finest gifts we bring, ba-da-ba-bum-bum.